Hello, good morning students. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 3 in ninth science, atom and molecule. In India, about the atom is tell us about the Maharishi Karnad. Maharishi Karnad, who tell us about the atom in ancient history of the India. But this education imparted by the Maharishi Karnad is not famous because this is not transferred well. But after this there is a English scientist John Dalton who tell us about the atom, and the science of it is transferred from one generation to one generation, and we will study the atom in detail. Now in this chapter first we study the law of chemical combinations. Law of chemical combination. After this we will discuss in detail atom and molecule. What is the first law of chemical combination in our syllabus? That is the conservation of mass. This is the first law. According to the law of conservation of mass, mass cannot be created nor be destroyed, but it cannot be created nor be destroyed. This is the first law of conservation of mass. What is example? Just like hydrogen react with oxygen, give you water. We can prove the law of conservation of mass here. The mass of hydrogen atom is 1, and how many hydrogen atoms are? 4. Mass is 4 gram. Mass of oxygen is 16 gram. 16 2s are 32 gram, and here 18 into 2, that is 36 gram. 36 gram is equal to 36 gram. It means there is no change in the mass, and it proves the law of conservation of mass. According to this, the mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. After this, we will study our second law, law of constant proportion. This law is given by Lavoisier. According to this law, all elements always combine definite रेशियो बाय मास. हिला कहता है कि सभी एलिमेंट डेफिनेट रेशियो बाय मास आपस में कंबाइन होते हैं. तो इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. जस्ट लाइक इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ वाटर. वाटर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इन दैट द मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 2 एंड मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 16. व्हाट इज द रेशियो? 1:8. हाइड्रोजन एंड oxygen always combine in 1:8 ratio to form water, and whatever will be the source, चाहे वो वाटर कैसे भी बनाओ या किसी रिएक्शन के दौरान बाय प्रोडक्ट के रूप में निकलाओ, हमेशा हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन का रेशियो कितना रहेगा? 1:8. नाउ वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल जस्ट लाइक ऑफ द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. द मास ऑफ कार्बन इज 12 and the mass of oxygen is 32. This is 3:8 is always fixed. Just like another example, ammonia is the mass of nitrogen is 14 and mass of hydrogen is 3. 14:3. This is the fixed ratio. Whatever will be the source from where we form water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, it obey the law of constant proportions. According to this, all elements always combine definite ratio by mass. After this, we will study Dalton atomic theory. John Dalton states that matter is made up of small particles. Made up of tiny particle called atom. एटम छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स का बना होता है जिसको हम एटम कहते हैं. एटम कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डेस्ट्रॉयड. न एटम को उत्पन्न किया जा सकता है, न ही एटम को खत्म किया जा सकता है. Atoms of the element are similar in size. यानी सभी एक पर्टिकुलर एटम का, जैसे हम बात करें गोल्ड, सिल्वर या गोल्ड का एटम ले लेते हैं. जैसे गोल्ड का एटम ले लेते हैं तो गोल्ड का जो पीस है उसके अंदर सारे के सारे एटम गोल्ड के होंगे, सिल्वर के नहीं हो सकते. इसी तरीके से अगर हम सिल्वर का कोई पीस लेते हैं तो उसमें सारे के सारे एटम किसके होंगे? सिल्वर के होंगे. सेम इन साइज, शेप एंड मास. इट्स फाउंड टू बी द सिमिलर, सेम फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ ए एलिमेंट. द एटम्स ऑफ different element are different in size, shape, mass. Atoms always combine with the definite ratio by mass. Atoms always combine definite ratio by mass. For example, water, the ratio is 1:8. Carbon dioxide 3:8. Ammonia 14:3. They always combine by the definite ratio by mass. Atom is always take part in chemical reaction. Atom always participate in a chemical reaction fully. It never participate into fractions. It always participate full, just like a full atom. In that, two hydrogen atom combined with oxygen gives water. It's never participate in fractions, just like 1/2, 3/4. This is not possible. This is John Dalton atomic theory. Thank you. Today we discuss up to this only. Thank you and have a nice day. You will plan, prepare notes and study it. If any question, ask to me. Thank you.